Bonjour, bonjour les amis, j'espère que vous allez bien. Today I want to show you this website. It's called cartefrance.fr. Cartefrance.fr. Okay, so it show you this website will show you all kind of maps, the maps of France. Hein. Okay, so maybe most people they will use Google Map, but I think this one is not bad. So you can check, for instance, les régions. Bon, les régions, very important, les régions. Une carte de France à 13 régions. Voici la liste des 27 anciennes régions. Okay, so here you can see les cartes de France. Donc la Bretagne, la Bourgogne, le centre, l'Île-de-France. These are all, okay. Par exemple, you can check on it. Hein, tac, you click it and then they will tell you. La Bretagne, 4 départements, 15 arrondissements, 201 cantons, 1270 communes. Okay, and they give you the biggest cities. Rennes, Brest, Quimper, Lorient, Vannes. They give you the biggest cities. How many people live where, and they also give you the superficie, densité de population. So, for instance, in Van here you have 1,640 people for 1 square kilometer. You know, this one Quimper is less people. This is 757 people for 1 square kilometer. And then the altitude. How high is this? How high? How high? Okay. Kind of interesting. Hein? So this is région. Okay. Vous avez aussi les départements. Les départements is much smaller. Hein? Les départements. And then the city. The city. Okay. Les départements. So you have all the numbers of départements. Okay. Donc le 75, 75, for instance, is Paris. 75. So you have always all the numbers. Okay. Ici, tac, tac, tac. 56. 89, Cher, bon, voilà, you have all the maps. It's very interesting. What else do we have here? Les hôtels, bon, this is not very interesting. Les villes, l'histoire. Let's have a look at l'histoire, for instance. History. Les cartes de l'histoire. Les cartes de l'histoire. So during the history of France, how was France divided? La carte de la Gaule. So that was during the Roman. La Gaule romaine, when the Roman came here, how was l'Empire romain, the Roman Empire, le royaume des Francs, when you had the first king of France, how was it divided, it's very interesting because for a long time, the king of France didn't unify the whole country, So when you look at the map, you see, and you had very strong identity, local identities, you see. You can see le royaume des Francs is in blue. So le royaume des Francs was only this for a long time. Only this. This was royaume des Francs, And then you can see État romain. These were Roman state, Here, so that's kind of interesting. Okay, in 1481, and it goes on. So this, I recommend you to go there, and you have a small vision of. You have La Guerre de Cent Ans, 100 Years War. 100 Years War. So the English invaded France, and there was a big fight. 100 years. Look, France was very small after. Here, look, that was at the worst time of La Guerre de Cent Ans. You can see. Hein. You can see. Les étapes de la reconquête. So France was trying to retake all the things, but all this was English. All this was English. And then they start to re-attack. They even attack England from here. Okay. Ok, bon, les cartes de France. What else can we see? Carte de France. Carte de France par satellite. En plus, we don't care, le city. Hein. Carte de France par satellite. Let's go here, satellite. Rechercher, bon, we don't care. Hein, we just want to look by satellite. Okay, so let's see, for instance, I want to check here by satellite. You can zoom in, and this is how it is also. Okay, I want to check here because I'm looking here for the home. Okay, so you can check here, you see, and you can see by satellite. What's interesting is that you can see the forest. Here you have some forest, here you have less forest, and that's always interesting. Wow, there's so many trees. You see the forest, everywhere is forest. That's interesting. Then you see so many forests. You see? Wow, forest everywhere, forest everywhere. So that's good, kind of very good, you know. Here, here, here. This is more field over there, but this is still some forest here, you know. So you can see, and this is a city, big city, you know. What else do we have here? This is more like the field. This is more the field. Okay. Ok, donc voilà, hein, vous avez la carte satellite. Ok, on peut encore plus avancer. Hein. Hop, 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 hop. Ok, vous avez vu? Hop, hop. Non, it's finished. Ok, bon, carte satellite. What else can we do? Let's check a little bit itinéraire. Itinéraire is interesting because itinéraire you can calculate it to check from one place to the next, okay? Avec trafic en voiture, à pied, à vélo. This is the same as for Google Maps. In fact, many people can use. So, choisir un point de départ. For example, I want to go to from Paris, de Paris à Lille. Lille is the city in the north of France. Okay. Avec trafic en voiture. En voiture. Okay. So from Paris to Lille. Let's go here. See. Paris à Lille. So they tell you all the way, and you can see here it takes 2 hours 28 minutes in car. 2 hours 28 minutes to go from Paris to the Lille, which is next to Belgium frontier. Bon, okay, there's something here that you cannot see, and that I will show you in another video. Very important. You know, now many people, they are looking for the green way, the green road, and you now have some maps that will show you the green way. So where can I go bicycle? Where can I walk in the forest? So these maps are very important because, you know, next to my place, these are the place where I can go for a walk. That's very nice. Carte des villes de France. Hein, bon, okay. And you can see the biggest cities. Voilà les photos. You can check and then you can see the photos of the map. Okay, bon, let me leave you, for instance, Marseille. Okay, you check Marseille. Then they tell you everything on the map, les photos de Marseille, la population. Okay. Bon, let me leave you for now. À bientôt les amis. À bientôt.